Good morning students, how are you all? Today we are going to start chapter 5, that is exponent. So before this we have completed our 4 chapters and those 4 chapters are also coming in your unit test. So today we are going to start next chapter, that is exponent. So what is exponent? So here I am explaining you about exponent. So here I am telling you the definition of exponents. So what are exponents? So basically exponents are the number on which any power is raised. For example, when a number is raised to the power of another number. Okay, so here if I am writing that a raised to the power n, that means here a is the base n, here n is exponent, and we can also say that is power. तो बेसिकली एक्सपोनेंट्स क्या होते हैं? ये कोई भी नंबर होते हैं जो किसी नंबर की पावर पे होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम राइटिंग हियर 2 रेज़ टू द पावर 5, सो हियर 5 इज एक्सपोनेंट. तो अगर हमें कोई भी नंबर एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखना है तो हम इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. तो बेसिकली जब किसी भी नंबर के ऊपर किसी दूसरे नंबर की पावर होती है उसे हम एक्सपोनेंट कह सकते हैं. अब ये पावर नेगेटिव भी हो सकती है और पॉजिटिव भी हो सकती है. I am taking more example. If I am writing here 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power minus 5, 8 raised to the power minus 8, all these are the exponent. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये सभी नंबर क्या हैं? एक्सपोनेंट. और जो पावर होती है ये एक्सपोनेंट और जिसके ऊपर ये पावर होती है उसे हम कहते हैं बेस. On the basis of this we can try our exercise. So after this I am starting my exercise. Okay, so see exercise 5a. Then exercise 5a, see question number 1. Here we have to write each of the following in power notation. तो यहाँ पे हमें power notation में लिखना है. So I am taking first question in this solution 1. First we are given 5 upon 7 into 5 upon 7 into 5 upon 7 into 5 upon 7. Now see, here all the numbers are same, that is 5 upon 7. And how many times 5 upon 7 are multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. That means we can write here 5 upon 7 whole power 4. That will be the answer. Similarly, we can take more example. Here second part is also same, third part is also same, and doing fourth part. So in fourth part we have given minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8. So here how many times minus 8 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So here we can write minus 8 raised to the power 5. That will be the answer. Now after this, see second question, express each of the following in power notation. Here also we have to express in power notation. So in solution number 2 I am taking first part. So here 225 upon 36. See here we have to denote in power notation. So here I can write here 25 by doing factorization. So find factors of 25. Factors of 25 will be 5 and 5. So here factors will be 5 into 5. Similarly, we can also find the factors of 36. So find factors of 36. Factors of 36, it will be 18 times, it will be 9 times, it will be 3 times and 1 time. So here factors are 2 into 2 into here we can write 2 power 2 and 3 power 2. So it can be written as 5 power 2 or 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. If you are writing in this form 5 power 2 upon 2 power 2 into 3 power 2, it is also right. And in this way you can also write here 5 power 2, here 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. Here we can write 5 power 2 upon 6 power 2, or we can write 5 upon 6 raised to the power 2. This is also right. If you are doing in this way, that is 5 power 2 upon 2 power 2 into 3 power 2, this is also correct. And 5 upon 6 whole power 2, it is also correct. So in this way you can try more questions. Here second part, third part you can do. Okay, I am doing it fourth part. So fourth part is simple. Here fourth part we have given 1 upon 128. So here factors of 1 will be 1. First of all we can find factors of 128. So 128 factors, here 2 64 times, 2 32 times, 2 16 times, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 2 times and 2 1 time. So here factors will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here 2 raised to the power 7. We can write here minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 7. Okay, so it will be the answer. After this, the next question. Okay, so after this question number 3, express each of the following as a rational number. तो यहाँ पे हमें rational number में express करना है. So solution 3, first part, that is 2 upon 3 whole power 5. देखिए rational number में explain करने का मतलब है कि ये हमें simple form में convert कर देना है. That means 2 power 5 upon 3 power 5, it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it will be multiply it. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 into 2 it will be 32 upon here 3 into 3 9 and 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81 and 81 into 3 243. So in this way you can write. So it will be the answer. It is in the form of rational number. तो ये हमारा rational number हो जाएगा. So after this, see next. Okay, so here second part, third part, all the part you can do yourself. Here I am doing one more part, that is fourth part. Okay, so see its fourth part. Here we have given 1 upon 6 whole power 3. Here 1 into 1 into 1 upon 6 into 6 into 6. So it will be 1 upon 6 into 6 36 and 36 into 6 260. So 1 upon 216 will be answer. So in this way you can do all these questions. So here question number 3 you can try. If you are having any kind of problem, then you can ask your queries. I will also do other questions. So simply we can do next question, that is question number 4. So in question number 4, see, express each of the following as a rational number. इसमें भी हमें rational number में convert करना है. So here I am taking first part, that is 4 raised to the power minus 1. See, 4 raised to the power minus 1. Here I will tell you some important laws of exponent. तो laws of exponent जो हमारे next exercise में आएंगे, तो उसका भी हम use कर सकते हैं अगर हमारे किसी भी number की power minus 1 है. So here we can write 1 upon, देखिए अगर 4 की पावर 1 अपॉन माइनस 1 है, 4 पावर माइनस 1, तो इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 1 अपॉन 4. दैट विल बी द आंसर. सिमिलरली सेकंड पार्ट यू कैन डू. आई एम डूइंग थर्ड पार्ट. So in third part we have given 1/3 whole power -1. देखिए जब भी आपको 1/3 की पावर -1 गिवन है तो इसमें 1/3 का रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है और जो पावर है वो पॉजिटिव बन जाती है. सो हियर आई कैन राइट 3/1 whole power 1. Power will become positive and we can also write it as 3. So here answer will be 3. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 3. Okay, so in fourth part, question number 4, you can try other questions. Now I am taking fifth question. So in question number 5, see in question number 5, find the reciprocal of each of the following. So reciprocal is simple. You can do it the reciprocal. So here I am taking first part, that is 3/8 whole power 4. So for finding its reciprocal, simply आप इनको रेसिप्रोकल कर सकते हो. Here I can write 8/3 whole power 4. अगर आपको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखना है तो आपका आंसर इतना ही हो जाएगा, और अगर आपको लॉन्ग फॉर्म में लिखना है तो यू कैन राइट 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. यू कैन डू मल्टीप्लाई और आगे लिख सकते हो. अगर आप यहाँ तक भी लिखते हो तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो आफ्टर दिस रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स यू कैन ट्राई योरसेल्फ. सो इन दिस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. तो आपको इन सभी की वैल्यू बतानी है इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. सो आई एम टेकिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हियर फर्स्ट पार्ट दैट इज गिवन 8 raised to the power 0. देखिए लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट में इनमें सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, अगर किसी की भी पावर हमें 0 गिवन है, अगर किसी भी नंबर की पावर 0 है, दैट मीन्स आंसर होगा उसका 1. सो हियर 8 power 0 मीन्स 1. Similarly, other question -3 power 0, it will also 1. Now I am taking third part. In third part we have given 4 raised to the power 0 plus 5 raised to the power 0. So here 4 power 0 means 1 and 5 power 0 means also 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So answer will be 2. Similarly, you can try fourth part. Here 6 power 0 into 7 power 0, it will be 1 into 1 and answer will be 1. Now after this, see question number 8. So I am doing next question. Okay, so in this question number 7, simplify each of the following and express each as rational number. पहले तो हमें यहाँ इन्हें सिंप्लीफाई करना है, सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद इन्हें रेशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करना है. So in question number 7, first part we are given 3/2 whole power 4 into 1/5 whole power 2. So first of all simplify, so we have to simplify. So in this 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here 1 square it will be 1 or 1 into 1 and 5 square means 5 into 5. Now multiply all these. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 will be 81 and 81 into 1 it will be 81 upon 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. So here 16 into and 5 into 5 will be 25. Now 81 upon multiply 25 and 16. So 25 and 16 it will be 400. So it is 400. It will be the answer. If you can do cancel, आप इन्हें cancel भी कर सकते हो. Now after this, see next question. Okay, second part you can try yourself. Third part also. Okay, I am doing fifth part for you. So here fifth part, here -3/4 whole power 3 minus -5/2 whole power 3 and into 4 square. Okay, see in this question, first of all we have given -3/4 whole power 3. Now see, जब हमें कोई भी वैल्यू माइनस में गिवन है और पावर हमारी ऑड है, ऑड मीन्स 1 3 5 7 एंड सो ऑन, तो हमारा नंबर नेगेटिव ही रहेगा. सो इट विल बी, ये नेगेटिव रहेगा, एंड 3 into 3 into 3, so 3 into 3 will be 9, 9 into 3 will be 27, and upon here 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 60, 60 into 4 64 minus, and here also see पावर हमें ऑड दे रखी है तो ये नेगेटिव ही रहेगा, एंड माइनस 5 into 5 into 5 will be 125 upon, and 2 into 2 into 2 will be 8, and here into 4 into 4 will be 16. So here minus 27 upon 64. Here minus minus will be plus. Plus 125 upon 8 and into 60. And we can take LCM of 64 and 8. So LCM of 64 and 8 will be 64. Now divide 64 by 64, it will be 1, and 1 into minus 27 will be minus 27. Now after this 64 will be divided by 8, and 8 divided 8 64 upon 8 will be 8. Now multiply this 8 by 125. So 125 into 8, 16 into 420. Okay. So it will be 1000. So plus 1000 and into 60. Now after this 1000 minus 27. So 1000 minus 27 will be 77. 77 upon 64 into 60. So here we can cancel it, 16 4 ja 64. So it will be 77 upon 4. So answer will be 77 upon 4. So in this way you can try remaining question of this part, remaining part of this question. So after this question number 8, सिंप्लीफाई एंड एक्सप्रेस ईच एज अ रेशनल नंबर. 8 में भी आपको इसी तरीके से सिंप्लीफाई करने हैं और रेशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करने हैं. नाउ आफ्टर दिस इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, एक्सप्रेस ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एज अ रेशनल नंबर. यहाँ भी आपको सिंपल रेशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करने हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, देन यू कैन आस्क, आई विल टेल यू. इट इज़ द सिंपल क्वेश्चन. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, okay, so in question number 10, simplify. In solution number 10, that is simplify. So I am taking its first part. Here minus 1 by 4 whole power 2 minus 2 and whole power minus 1. See, in this question, first of all we will solve this bracket. So in this bracket, minus 1 upon 4 whole power 2 means here when power is even, then it will become positive. So it will become 1 upon 60. Again here whole power is minus 2 and here minus 1. See, we can multiply this. Minus 2 and minus 1 will be plus 2. So here 1 upon 16 whole power 2. So it will be 1 into 1 will be 1 and 16 into 16 will be 256. So answer will be 1 upon 256, or you can also write 1 upon 16 power 2. It will also correct and it is also correct. Both the answers are correct. So here remaining part you can try yourself. Now see question number 11. By what number should minus 5 whole power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is minus 1? See, in question number 11 we have given that by what number minus 5 whole power minus 1 be multiplied. So let we can say that it should be मल्टीप्लाई बाय x। हमने माना कि इसको हमने x से मल्टीप्लाई किया, सो व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय x दैट मीन्स x इंटू -5 होल पावर -1 देन इट विल बी इक्वल टू 8 होल पावर -1। सो वी कैन राइट इट x into -5 whole power -1 can be written as 1 upon -5, and here 8 power -1 can be written as 1 upon -1/8. Now solve it by doing cross multiplication. X will be here -5 into 1/8, so it will be -5/8. So that means we can say that it will be multiplied by -5/8. Now similarly you can do 12, question number 12, 13, 14 and 15 also. Okay, so remaining question you can try yourself. Here in question number 16 you have to do simplify. Okay, if you are having any kind of problem in question number 16 then I will tell you. And in question number 17 and 18, in 18 you have given, okay, I am doing question number 16 for you. Okay, so see question number 16. So here in question number 16, simplify. Here 16 into 2 raised to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 raised to the power n upon 16 into 2 raised to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 raised to the power n plus 2. Okay, so here first of all we can take common. देखिए इनमें से 16 और 4, तो सबसे पहले इनमें से हम 4 कॉमन ले सकते हैं। तो 4 कॉमन लेने के बाद यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा 4 इंटू here 2 raised to the power n plus 1, इसे हम लिख सकते हैं 2 पावर n इंटू 2 पावर 1 माइनस, अब 4 तो हमने कॉमन ले लिया तो यहाँ पे क्या बचा 2 पावर n अपॉन। नाउ हियर ऑल्सो यहाँ से भी हम पहले 2 कॉमन ले सकते हैं, तो 2 कॉमन आ जाएगा, इट विल बी 8 इंटू, इसे भी हम लिख सकते हैं 2 पावर n इंटू 2 पावर 2 माइनस, यहाँ से 2 हमने कॉमन ले लिया है, इसे हम लिख सकते हैं 2 पावर n इंटू 2 पावर 2। ओके, सो हियर कैंसिल दिस बाय 2, नाउ हियर इट विल बी 2। अब देखिए यहाँ से हम 2 पावर n भी कॉमन ले सकते हैं, तो 2 पावर n कॉमन आ जाएगा, हियर इट विल बी, यहाँ पे बचेगा 4 इंटू 2, 4 इंटू 2 विल बी 8 एंड माइनस, यहाँ कुछ नहीं बचा, यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा अपॉन। अब देखिए यहाँ से भी हम क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं, यहाँ से 2 पावर n और 2 पावर 2 कॉमन आ जाएगा, सो हियर 2 पावर n इंटू 2 पावर 2 ये कॉमन आ जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा 8 और माइनस, यहाँ पे बचेगा 2 पावर 2, ये भी कॉमन आ गया तो -1। अब यहाँ देखिए आगे, यहाँ से हम 2 पावर n कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से 2 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ ऊपर बचेगा 1 इंटू 8 माइनस 1 विल बी 7 अपॉन, हियर ऑल्सो यहाँ पे बचेगा 2 इंटू 8 माइनस 1 7, नाउ 7 से 7 कैंसिल, so answer will be 1 upon 2. So here 1 upon 2 will be answer. Okay, so in this way you can do this question number 16. So question number 17 and 18 you can try yourself. So after this, if you are having any kind of problem in this exercise, then you can ask your problem, I will solve your problem. So for watching this video, thank you. You have to try more and more question, and your homework is free. Finally I am also giving you homework, so this is your homework. Try exercise 5A. See, in this you have to try all the questions, short examples भी आपको try करने हैं, और बाकी के जो भी questions आपको मैंने यहाँ बताए हैं वो सब आपको try करने हैं. So it will be your homework. So finally, thank you for watching the video and try more and more question for this chapter. Thank you.